Okay, everyone, whenever you are in my house, please never, ever tamper with my fire alarm. That is a big no. You don't ever do that. If you tamper with my alarm, you will get in big trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police. So, do not ever tamper with my alarm when you visit me in my house. You leave my alarm alone because it's not your alarm, it's my alarm. So don't mess with it unless I give you permission to do so. But if I don't, leave it alone, or else you will face serious consequences. Bye.